everyone, it's Birdie, and I had a catastrophe happen. I had a piece of paper and I was trying to determine the size of this patch, and it accidentally stuck to this area, and I tried scraping it off with my fingernails, and it's still very much sticky. Is gone. The adhesive right around here. So I'm wondering, okay, what can I do? How can I fix this? And I came up with an idea. It's a patch you can use, and it's with some tape. And what kind of tape is this? This is tape, double-sided, that I use to teach my cats not to scratch furniture. You can get it on Amazon, and it's really sticky. So I'm going to fix that, cut a little patch right over there and put it down, and we'll see how this works. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we'll see. I'll check back with you. I'm back. Okay, so I cut a small piece of this double-sided tape that I use, and it's specifically used to put on your furniture to prevent your cats from scratching your furniture. And it's very sticky, and I cut a small patch and I extended it a little bit outside, and you peel off the top and you have a double-sided piece, and I'm peeling it off now, and you can see the areas where it had the paper fall on it and get stuck, and there was no more adhesive. But now I got that double-sided tape on it, and it's just as sticky, if not more. Now, I'm a little concerned that it'll be a little bit raised up, the drills, because it's an extra layer. So I will be back and let you know how it turns out. And if it turns out, yay! Alright, I just finished that section, which I patched with corrective tape, which is really double-sided tape used for cats who tend to scratch furniture, or training tape to prevent cats. And I found this, I buy on Amazon specifically to put on furniture, and now we've got a second use for it. And it doesn't feel like it's raised up. This is a patch that I had already placed right here. Wasn't an effective area. And it's smooth. It's not raised because of the tape. And it's just as sticky as anything, and yeah, I think that's gonna work. Very pleased. So if you ever have a patch that loses its adhesiveness, you know that you can get some of this tape and cut out the shape you need. In this case, it's right around here that the paper got stuck, and when I peeled it off, it really left the paper on there. And wow, yes, brilliant. All right, I hope this helps. Boy, I can right now think of other uses for this in diamond painting, but that may be another video. Anyways, I hope this helped. And wow, worked. And this is Birdie flying off. Okay, and here's another area. I turned off the light board, and here's an area right here that seems to have that paper stuck. So I'm going to cut a small patch for that and put it there along here and try putting drills on it and see what happens. Because I don't think I can scrape any more of this off. So I'm going to take that tape and make a small little patch for that area. And hopefully it'll fix it. Be right back. Okay, so now I added the tape, kind of estimated the size and everything to cover up the troubled area. Now I'm going to peel it, the top part. Okay, so I peeled it. And you can see the strip, the thinner strip on top. But as far as the patch below it, you couldn't even tell that piece of tape is on there. So let's add the drills and see how it turns out. It worked. It worked. It's not raised because of the tape, and it's like you didn't have a problem. It's just another creative idea to solve a common problem when doing diamond painting. Use double-sided cat scratching tape, I guess you can call it. Cut to the size of the area you need to re-adhesive, I guess you would say. You have to make sticky again. And just put it on there, and it worked. Look at that. There's this whole area right here, right down here. I almost panicked, but I says, oh, I can think of something. I can think of something. And I did. So I hope that was helpful. Here's Birdie flying off again. And here's the finished project. Obviously, I love it so much that I got framed. And I wanted to show you the area which I patched right here. And it looks great. Double-sided cat scratching tape. Who would have thought? Birdie did. All right. Bye-bye.